he comes. Oh, it's true, and it's absolutely magnificent. And Cristiano Ronaldo has pretty much won this game on his own inside the first 13 minutes.
Early sighter before he hits the target. Let's see. Didn't this time. Magnificent! Is there any end to this boy's talents? And now he's gone ahead of George Best.
Well, when he gets them right, he gets them right. And they're just about unstoppable. And the ball's just doing all sorts. Up and over again, and look at it.
Ronaldo. Brilliant! Made in Lisbon, delivered in Manchester for Manchester United. Sometimes you just have to shake your head.
Ronaldo! 20 for the season for the brilliant Portuguese.
Go. Might not get a chance. It's Ronaldo. Oh, magnificent! Just magnificent. Over the wall, into the corner. It is perfect. Right now, he is the perfect player. His corner. Renda doesn't get there, and Ronaldo's got his goal. All over now. Manchester United have beaten Liverpool again. And Cristiano Ronaldo takes his tally to an incredible 34 goals this season.
Other players in the penalty area, every one of them.
Ronaldo's header! Brilliant goal! Terrific header from Cristiano Ronaldo. He met it beautifully and he scored again, his 9th of the season.
Fantastic header that. I mean, we know how good he is in the air, Cristiano Ronaldo. He uses his height. There's some people his size that are hopeless in the air.
Well, now here's Brown for Ronaldo!
In the 26th minute, his 42nd goal of the season. It's come against Chelsea. It's come in the Champions League final.
Do you think Alex Ferguson feels justified in the way he started? The positive.
O'Shea. Ronaldo! It comes so easily to him. Whether by a foot or by a head. And Manchester United have what now should be a winning lead.
And see that game in its entirety. A turn by Ronaldo for United! Cristiano Ronaldo, 4-0. He went in like lightning. Well, he's a lot more satisfied now.
Was stumbling, but he's not now. He's in again. It is Cristiano Ronaldo. It's inevitable. He's on the verge of yet another hat-trick against Newcastle. It is 3-0 now and counting.
Well, it's just a mess at the back from this. Because Faye here gets himself all in the wrong position. I thought he was favourite to win this ball. Ronaldo slips. And look at that, that's half-hearted. And then Ronaldo goes in. And well, there's more bad defending from Steven Taylor.
Service forward to him early on. So United centre-half will have a tough day.
And here goes Cristiano Ronaldo in familiar style. And in familiar style he scored. Only 3 minutes gone. His 39th goal of a quite incredible season. The slip by McCartney let him in. And if he gets a sighting of goal, he usually scores.
Well, just a perfect start they wanted, Man United. He's got his, McCartney slips, but then they've still got enough to.
Ronaldo showing interest, and a mistake from Kedru. And Cristiano Ronaldo will put Manchester United in front. Birmingham missed chances in the first half, and an error there that allowed Ronaldo to open the scoring.
Well, we're talking about one of the most experienced players in this Birmingham side.
Miskicked it. Now surely Manchester United will get the break right this time. Rooney's got to check, otherwise he'll be offside. As Ronaldo just runs past him. He put it on a plate for Rooney, but he puts it in himself. He's had to wait for a while for the killer goal. It's come in stoppage time. And if at first you don't succeed, try again. That's been Cristiano Ronaldo today.
Oh, that's a good ball. Great ball by Zaha. Tevez, Zaha in the middle. Ronaldo at the far post. It's towards Cristiano Ronaldo! Fantastic! Manchester United turned defence to attack, and Ronaldo scored again. 2 in 2 minutes, and this game now is going United's way. Ronaldo 2, United 2, Blackburn 0.
Hey, what a great ball from Tevez. How aware is he when he makes this break?
Ronaldo again. Might just have a go. This man is class. Top class. Guaranteed to make the difference. Cristiano Ronaldo. 1-0 Manchester United.
You know, it's been pretty mediocre up to now from United in terms of
Manchester United. And it comes for Ronaldo! How about that for style? Even by his standards, extravagant. Again, Hargreaves. That's dangerous. Oh, would you believe it? Ronaldo found the ball, drifting straight onto his thigh. He looked to see if the offside flag went up. It didn't. He scored again.
No, it certainly wasn't offside. Good play from Owen Hargreaves. Wasn't able to cross it behind the defence to begin with. He cuts back onto
Davis with a poor header. And Ronaldo! 9 minutes. That's all it's taken. And whilst Europe as a whole has voted for Kaká, the 8 minutes gone. Ronaldo got his head to it, and it comes back to him. Oh, what a finish! And he now moves alongside the great George Best in United's Hall of Fame.
What a difference it makes to get the breakthrough so early. It somehow found its way past everyone.
To Rooney. Tevez. Geometric perfection. Ronaldo 3-0. Designed by slide rule.
Well, it was one-touch football, it was incisive.
To O'Shea. Here's the man. Ronaldo, he wants it! He's got it! For the man with every conceivable trick. Their first ever hat-trick for Manchester United.
Well, this time he just gets that little bit of luck because it takes a deflection. But he has deserved it. There's no doubt about that. And when this ball drops into him,
pull my heart out of my chest, train my mind so I forget, sink your teeth into my bones, dig me out then fill the hole, tear me apart and watch it burn, tear me apart and watch it burn. All that's left is a window to my soul, come and get it. Come and get it. Mouth to mouth, I breathe you in. Swallow down your jagged sin. Let it drown inside my veins. The sweetest poison I could take. You make it an art, the way that you scar with every word. But before we reach the end, strip me down again. Come and get it one more time. If you wanna lose your mind, come and get it one more time. If you wanna lose your mind, come and get it. Mouth to mouth, I breathe you in. Swallow down your jagged sin. Let it drown inside my veins. The sweetest poison I could take. You make it an art, the way that you scar with every word. But before we reach the end, strip me down again. Come and get it one more time. If you wanna lose your mind, come and get it one more time. If you wanna lose your mind, come and get it. Mouth to mouth, I breathe you in. Swallow down your jagged sin. Let it drown inside my veins. The sweetest poison I could take. You make it an art, the way that you scar with every word. But before we reach the end, strip me down again. Come and get it one more